Do you know, skipping the legs pre-workout can actually limit your potential while workouts and get you unnecessary stress on your legs muscles. It also affects the performance like the cycling, running and even the walking. Legs pre-workout consists of two parts, namely warm-ups and stretches. Stretching directly without warm-ups can cause you high intensity injuries, so let's do the leg stretching and legs warm-up in a proper sequence. Hello everyone, my name is Anukul Ghosh and I specialize in calisthenics, but today I have came up with my personal recommended warm-ups and stretches. Don't worry, this would be a piece of cake and you all will manage them very easily. Number 1. The leg swings. Keep your body at rest and hold any object beside you. Swing your legs apart and let them comfortably relax you. Now it's time to switch the direction. Do this for approximately 60 seconds each. Number 2. The low wall jumps. Jump slowly, keeping your toes to the ground and focus on your calf muscles. Now give small jerks to get this into evacuation. Do this for 30 seconds each. Number 3. The high jumps. Jump high towards the sky and focus on your thighs. For 20 seconds it would be good to go. Number 4. The switching lunges. Now this one is between the warm-up and the stretches. Perform lunge at one side and jerk yourself to switch the legs. And now do this 12 such repetitions and then you can switch to the next exercise for the stretching ones. Number 5. The Cossack Squat. Sit on one leg as squat position and another leg straight. While switching the legs, perform like a protractor just like in your geometry box. At such repetitions is good to go. Number 6. The butterfly. Sit in a cross-leg heel to heel position and perform a little jerks. Keep jerking till 40 to 60 seconds and now you are ready to go for the last one. Number 7. Stretching. Now this can be a challenge to you all to complete stretch. But as this is a pre-workout, go within your limits and don't push yourself. Touch your heels with your side arm and touch the ground with your forehead. If you cannot do so, it's all okay. Now, how do you feel then? Do you feel relaxed? Or do you feel more athletic? Now it's time you can go for your legs workout or athletic skills like the running or the flipping. Until my video comes, take care and goodbye.